Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Soundcore Boom 2 to your iOS device. You have to start by opening Settings, find the Bluetooth line and click on it. Now you should turn on your speaker right here. And here we go, we can see a Soundcore Boom 2 on other devices, so we should click on it. And here we go, we just pair our devices to our speaker. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!